Kensington Trades College has only one focus, which is building your career in the trades industry. A trade that many consider is becoming a plumber because it offers high job security and strong earning potential. The salary often exceeds $100,000 annually for experienced professionals, making plumbing one of the highest paid trades. Our diploma program, called Plumber Pre-Apprentice, is a hands-on program to give a student a step up to become a plumber's apprentice. Over 55% of training is hands-on learning and working with copper pipe and soldering, PEX B and connectors, plumbing, faucets and fixtures, including sinks, toilets and tubs, and other plumbing tools and equipment. This is what plumbers seek when they're hiring new apprentices, so our diploma will give graduates a jump start into their new career. Kensington Trades College offers this program either fully on campus or in a hybrid format where the theory is online, followed by hands-on labs which are on campus. Courses for this program are plumbing theory and codes, plumbing math and geometry, drawings, takeoffs, and estimating, apprenticeship job preparation for plumbers, plumbing safety, plumbing tools and materials, and project management for plumbers. Students engage in full hands-on practicals inside our build house during the courses called Plumbing Installation 101 and Plumbing Installation 201. All of these courses create a comprehensive 400-hour, 20-week program that prepares students to start a new career as a plumber's apprentice. Students require CSA-approved work boots, a hard hat, earplugs, work gloves, dust mask, and safety goggles to ensure they are working safely. Plus, the full program includes $750 in tools of the trade, which students use in class every day during the installation courses, and so graduates have the tools they need to get started on their apprenticeship. Employment opportunities for a plumber's apprentice are vast, and you can earn while you learn. Plumbers work in construction, residential maintenance, and installation, and specialized industrial work, as well as playing a critical role in public health to ensure clean water and proper waste disposal. Demand for new plumbers is driven by population growth and infrastructure needs, with roughly 2,400 more jobs expected than the workers over the next 10 years. Plumbing is a stable career, with 94% of Ontario plumbers reporting that they are working full-time. Our Plumber Pre-Apprentice Diploma is your first step to securing a paid apprenticeship and starting your journey to earn your Red Seal certification. Kensington Trades College offers small class sizes, which gives you lots of hands-on training, so you can earn a college diploma and be ready to start your apprenticeship in less than 5 months. Contact one of our admissions advisors today by email or phone to learn about upcoming classes, schedules, funding, and fees. It's time to build your career. Call us today to begin.